Guys, with 2020 going off the drain, trust me यार, I don't know about you, but I have written off 2020. मैं बस चाहता भाई दिसंबर आए, खत्म करो 2020. I just don't want to see 2020. 2021 become more optimistic. Everyone among us is more optimistic about 2021, and this is where a lot of people are asking me about CAT 2021. So we launch our batch as well for CAT 2021. So how I want you to plan your preparation for the CAT 2021 is divide the preparation into three phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. See, I don't know about you, but I survived my engineering days because there used to be SEM system, SEM 1, SEM 2, SEM 8. So you just have to pass one SEM. Imagine all the studies together in one SEM together in 4 years would have been a chaos, major chaos. I would not have survived my 4 years. Same way here, CAT 2021 is not that near. Yeah, please, we have a long-term view. We have around 16 months remaining for the CAT 2020 and 21. As our Indian students were not used to that. So let's break the preparation to parts. That's what I recommend at CET King. That's what we're going to do at CET King. So first phase is from today till December. So I want you to keep your eyes and ear open for CAT 2020. Let's see what happens. CAT will become online, or CAT will become delayed, or quant will be tough, verbal will be tough. So we need to understand. I want you to understand all those things what happened in this year. And we'll start with our first phase ka books. So red books you have to complete by December. That's your phase number 1. Yeah. Phase 1, complete all the basics, red books. Phase 1, if you are eligible, if you are working, or if you are a college student, final year student, you can give CAT exam as well. So that I just want you to survive. I just want you to get 80%, 70%, even 50%. Imagine yaar, if you get 50% the CAT exam, halfway done. Or if you don't want to give the CAT exam, you are in second year, third year, you are not eligible for CAT 2020, I will give you the paper in hand. So after CAT 2020 happen, the first thing I'm going to do is solve CAT 2020 ka paper, 2020 ka paper in class or online, depending on at that time what classes are going on, or both. So we'll do that thing first. Then we'll start the phase 2 with a new book. So 2020 CAT ke baad, after CAT 2020, I'll be launching the new books. Every year we are updating the new books. For example, if you're buying any books today for CAT 2021, you're already buying the books which are printed in 2019. So 2019 ka books you're going to use in 2021. You're already 2 years late, 2-year-old books. So I make the new books every year after the new exam. So I work like iPhone or any other phone where the new iteration are coming, totally revamping the complete system based on the last year paper pattern. Yeah. So red books we're going to complete by December. Then we'll launch the new books, जो भी कलर आएगा उस books का. That will be your next phase 2. That will last till August. Yeah, July. Yeah, next 6 months, January to July is going to be phase 2, in which I'll pick up all the questions. I'll mainly focus on my weak area. And then August onward, August, September, October, November, I'll give as many mocks as much as possible. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Phase 1, doing the basic, enjoying your life. This is your honeymoon period. Enjoy as much as you can. Phase 2, I'll go for the weak area, improve my weak areas, complete the new set of books, start giving a few mocks, every 15 days a mock. Imagine the guys who are giving CAT 2020 this year, I'm telling them to give a mock every alternate week. And the first question come to mind, yaar, maine kuch padha nahi hai, how can I give the mock? If you're giving the CAT 2021 wala mock, next year will begin the mocks, you at least have done the basics in 2020. So the 2021, I'm more comfortable. Yeah. And then August, September, October, November, I'll give mocks. So this is my easy way plan, phase by phase. मुझे CAT 21 नहीं देखना. I don't want to see CAT 21. I want to complete my basics. Then level 2, then level 3. Let's break them into parts. And I'm going to be with you from today till next year CAT. Yeah. So this is my main USP of joining CET, that I am with you. I'll be in the exams along with you, so that you never feel loud कि यार मैं अकेला हूँ. Fine. So this is going to be my task. I just read a quotation from Napoleon that if you have 100 lions, but the leader is a dog, the lions will fight like a dog. If you have 100 dogs and the leader is a lion, all the 100 dogs will fight like a lion. So you are going to have a mentor in case you are joining us, or in case you're going to follow me on YouTube, who is not a lion, but I am a motivator. My task is to motivate you. Even one day before the exam, my job is to motivate you. Yeah, that I'll do my job. Fine. Whenever you're feeling down, whenever you're feeling low, just inform me. I'll make a video on that topic. Yeah. For example, today since yesterday I'm getting so many questions. Will CAT get postponed? Will CAT happen? Not happen? So I'm going to make the video on that for CAT 2020 student. So same way 2021, in case you want to join our program, in the description box I given the numbers. In case you want to go for a self-paced program, you can go for the books and the mock program and study on your own. You can do that as well. But 2021 is going to be a comeback phase. So market is going to recover. And this is the ideal time because 2020 uncertainty is there. If you want to go for the CAT 2021, you are most welcome. Yeah. So in the description box, I give the link where you can join our program for the CAT 2021 with books, mocks, classes, online, everything. All the best. But main thing is divide the preparation to parts. खुद से करना है, जैसे भी करना है, ब्रेक में पार्ट में ब्रेक करके करो. या सो दिस ईयर आई वांट टू कंप्लीट द फुल. मेरे को 31 दिसंबर तक पूरा सिलेबस खत्म चाहिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मार्क्स आएगा. ऑब्वियसली आई नो एवरी टॉपिक. आई डोंट नीड टू लुक एट कि यार ये कौन सा चैप्टर है, ये क्या है, वो क्या है. ठीक है, दैट इज योर प्लान फॉर द 2020. ओके, सो लेट्स ब्रेक इनटू पार्ट्स. ऑल द बेस्ट.